Welcome to Wild Zoom. Prepare to be amazed. This compilation brings you the most unpredictable, rare, and heart-melting moments from the animal kingdom. Whether you're an animal lover or just love unbelievable footage, this video is a must-watch. We bring you 18 of the most adorable, rare, and amazing animal moments captured on camera. From surprising interactions to cute behaviors you've never seen before, all clips are used under fair use for commentary, compilation, and entertainment purposes. Every clip in this compilation has been carefully chosen to make you smile, wonder, and appreciate the beauty of wildlife. Some of these scenes were captured in remote locations, and others just happened by chance. But all of them are unforgettable. Let us know in the comments which animal moment was your favorite. If you're enjoying these amazing animal moments, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you love discovering rare and adorable wildlife clips, make sure to subscribe to Wild Zoom and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.